Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I'm going to fire up the Kamado Joe Classic, and we're going to make a super easy, super delicious dessert that's going to make you the star of the next barbecue. We're going to make a man cave version of a dump cake. So let's get started. We're going to get this party started. I've got a fire going in the firebox of my Classic 2 here, and I'm going to set the heat deflectors in, and then we're going to put the cooking grates in right on top of that. And I'm going to use the fireboard today. We're going to set this grill up to run at about 350 degrees. So I've got my top vent set just barely cracked open, about halfway between the first and the second mark. And I'm going to kick the Fireboard 2 Pro in, and we're going to let this guy, like I said, bring it up to about 350 degrees. I'm going to give it plenty of time to preheat. I want this grill nice and evenly heated before we start cooking. Okay, my grill's preheated, and we're going to put this thing together, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. I've taken a can of peach pie filling and cherry pie filling and dumped it in my mixing bowl here, and I'm going to put in about a quarter of a cup or so of bourbon in there with that. I'm using a little mixers today, and I'm going to take my spatula and we're going to mix this up and get it combined. And then the next thing I'm going to do is dump this out into my 9x13 dish. A lot of people like to do these dump cakes in a Dutch oven. You can do that also if you like, but today I'm just going to use the 9x13, and I'm going to kind of spread that out evenly in there. The next ingredient that we're going to put in there is a grocery store variety yellow cake mix. I'm just going to cut that bag open, and we're going to dump that out and try to spread it fairly evenly over the top of our fruit. We're going to put the entire mix on there. And then once I have that out there, I'm going to take my spatula that I was using and kind of spread that out nice and evenly, just like that. And then the next step is we're going to take pats of butter. I've got a stick and a half of butter, which works out to like 12 tablespoons, and we're going to lay all that butter out here. And this butter doesn't have to be pretty, so we just want to spread it out, you know, kind of evenly. And I've taken one of my shakers here and I've put in a little mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon, and I'm going to sprinkle a layer of that across the top of this, and that's all there is to this. We're going to get this guy on the grill, and it's going to go 45 minutes, somewhere between 45 minutes and an hour to finish that out. So my Classic here is cruising right along at 350. We're going to set that bad boy on there, and we'll be back to have a look at this when it's done. We've been going about an hour here, and I believe this guy's about ready. Man, if it tastes half as good as it smells, it's going to be off the hook. So I think I might give it about 5 more minutes or so here. Then we're going to take it off and let it cool for a bit. Guys, I've let this cool a little bit. It smells absolutely amazing, and I have taken the liberty of plating up just a little bit of that. It's still steaming hot, but man, I can't wait to get a taste of that. The aroma here is off the hook. Oh man. Man, that is absolutely crazy, guys. This is gonna rank probably in my top 2 or 3 of favorite desserts that I've made on the grill. So guys, give this thing a try. It's stupid easy. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.